Hey everyone, welcome back. If your Google Chrome is not opening pages, do not worry. This is a simple issue. First, check your internet connection because slow or unstable Wi Fi is the most common reason pages fail to load. Next, try opening another app or website to confirm. Next, swipe up from the bottom of your screen, look for Google Chrome, swipe it away, completely closing it, wait for a few hours, and then try loading the page again. If it still does not work, clear your browser cache and cookies from old settings. Old stored data can block websites from opening properly. Now restart your computer to refresh the system. Then head over to your App Store and search for Google Chrome and make sure that Google Chrome is updated to the latest version because outdated versions often cause loading issues. If nothing works, try switching between Wi Fi and mobile data. Now your Chrome pages should open normally again. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next guide.